Hello guys! In today's video, I am going to be recreating the star freckle lenses from Snapchat, so keep on watching. I'm gonna start with applying my foundation. It's the Even True Flawless Foundation and it's one of the best ones that I've used. To be honest, I use this every single time when I recreate a look because of how good it is and it's matte. I don't think it really matches my skin. I mean, it does, but it's not the best match I've ever had. But it's still good enough. But I make sure to put some on my neck as well. And then I conceal, baby, because that is what I have to do to make my skin look good. Now, on my eyelids, I am putting on the not so subtle and roasted eyeshadow for a base, and for the pinkiness I put the Peach Please color. That will make sure to tie the whole look together because we are going for a pink star freckle and I wanted to make the eyeshadow pinkish as well. Next up, I'm adding this glowy color, this white color, and putting it in my inner corner to create a line between the other eyeshadows. And then I put on this translucent glitter as well to make it look a lot more fab. And then it's time for highlight. I put on this rose gold highlight. This is how it looks so far. I think it looks natural but still really cool. I like the color palette that I chose. Now it's time to use the eyeliner and I'm gonna create a cat eye look. This is how it looks like. I think it looks super classy. This turned out amazing. I worked so hard on it, but I just love it so much. And now it's time for the mascara. I'm using the Benefit Bad Gal Mascara. I swear by this mascara. I love it so much. It really helps define my lashes and elongates them, but it volumizes it at the same time, so it's just perfect. And now it's time for the freckles. So I'm using the Star Glitter and I'm not using glue, what you should actually use. I'm using my lip gloss because that has stickiness to it. So I just put a little bit of the lip gloss onto my skin and then attach those little stars. I was trying to do it without it, but it kept on falling off my face. So then I decided that I'm gonna use the lip gloss. It's an idea that popped into my head suddenly and I just went for it. It really worked and it helped make the look a reality. The star freckles are so amazing. I got this star glitter from my best friend and I am just so happy that she gave it to me because now I'm actually able to recreate this look and I think it is amazing. It turned out really cool. So as you can see, I was still kind of struggling with the freckles, but at the end they all came out very nice, even though they didn't fall off, so that is great. It seems like my lip gloss is really sticky. And then I applied the lip gloss on my lips as well. And then I put on this MARC lipstick that I just love the shade of. I wanted to do something different on my lips, something more dark to just pop the whole look out, and I think it looks amazing. And then I'm styling my hair because I have bangs, and if you have bangs like me, you know how much a struggle it is to style them because one day they look all nice and then another day they look frizzy, crazy, but it turned out really cool. So that is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I really hope that you might recreate this. You can buy these freckle stars anywhere. So, yes, I love this look so much. I really hope you like it as well. If you want other makeup videos, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!